Today we have Mr. Prakash Dharmani, Okaya Power CIO. Thank you, sir, for being with us. Very warm welcome to In Conversation with Protiviti. I have a question for you. I'm aware that you recently went through an entire transformation and automation around your primary sales and secondary sales. How was your experience and what level of automations you've been able to achieve?
Okaya Power is basically into a business of energy storage solutions. So we are into inverter batteries, we are into basically e-Riksha batteries as well as solar batteries. So we are also in the process of commissioning our plant at Neemrana, which is going to be really a world-class manufacturing setup. So to precursor to this was, Ankit, it was very imperative for us to set up our complete digital platform ready for our season. Typically, these products are very seasonal, at least the space what we are in. So we ensured that our complete order to cash cycle got digitized way before that. So basically, when I say the order taking process from our primary distributors, dealers, etc. So it's completely now digitized, as well as we also in the process of rolling out our retailer management system, which will onboard around 30 to 40,000 retailers in place. I'm sure AI is something which is on everybody's mind, right? So what we are doing now, there are a lot of interesting use case which we are working on, especially we are doing trying to figure out many times what happens. Beat optimization is one of the areas where we are working on. How do I optimize a complete beat? That is which we intend to do a quick pilot. I will be candid, we are still we're at a drawing board stage on this part. See, typically it becomes very difficult for a sales or a service guy to reach out to the 40,000 odd retailers. Now, can a virtual agent be, so it's not I would say replace a person, but then it is complement him on his complete sales cycle. So this is so augment the complete, to ensure that, we are able to reach out to all our 40,000 retailers. So these are the few areas where we are working on the AI aspect of it.
Awesome. Great. I think it was pleasure having you. A lot of insights, Mr. Dharmani. Thank you so much.
Pleasure. Thank you.